If you need to change your Calendly availability, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your schedule so people only book you when you're actually free. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your calendar accurate, avoid double bookings, and make sure your availability matches your real working hours. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it means you won't miss the next walkthrough. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the availability option. This is where Calendly lets you control the days and times people can book meetings with you. Click availability and then choose the schedule you want to edit. If you have more than one schedule set up, make sure you pick the correct one because each schedule can be used for different meeting types or different parts of your week. After that, update your available days or hours. For example, you might want to change your working days from Monday through Friday, or shorten your meeting hours if your routine has changed. You can also adjust specific time ranges so Calendly only offers times that fit your real availability. Now, if you need to get more specific, you can add or remove time blocks as needed. This is useful if you want to block off lunch breaks, protect time for focused work, or open extra hours on certain days. Just make sure your schedule reflects the exact times you want people to see when they go to book with you. Take a moment to review everything before saving. It's always a good idea to double-check your schedule so you don't accidentally leave open times you meant to remove, or hide time slots you actually want to keep available. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save or Apply to save your changes. Calendly should update your availability immediately, and your booking page will now reflect your new schedule. That's it. You've now changed your Calendly availability in just a few steps. It's quick, easy, and one of the best ways to keep your calendar organized and your bookings under control. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Calendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.